Hi and welcome to our video from the very first Vanlifers United Festival in Worthing. Now, cards on the table, the video was a bit shorter than usual, and that's just simply because we forgot to film half of it. We're having so much fun, and our professional content creators, we are not. Some of the stuff that happened though, Morgan in the 100 metres absolutely smashed all of the adults. Lawrence claiming that he gave the punch bagging machine a serious battering and that he beat everyone, but we'll let you decide. Have a look. Dave.
A cheery little song all about being a manic depressive.
Got another part of the Hey Amigo event catering. It's mixed coffee and churros, Van. My kids are eating.
It's slush as well.
Nice slush. Non-alcoholic, obviously, for the children. Some good churros, my children will attest to that. They're sitting over there eating some at the moment. Really good coffee. What we got on, Mick? Churros, coffee, snacks,
Coffee,
slushies.
It's just a good old snack wagon, really. Coffee snack wagon.
If you're over here, we are next to mixed Mexican street food. The loaded fries, burritos. We've got a special on the burritos, Mick. What are we having today? What we got?
We're not doing the vegan today. We're
Okay.
doing chili dogs as a special. And then we've got the normal beef, pork, and chicken burritos. We're not doing vegan, we've got a vegan next door.
Okay.
Being a bit respectful, and then we've got loaded fries.
And the loaded fries are awesome. We all like loaded fries. He's going to make us some. We want some. We've probably told him before we came, bacon and cheese loaded fries. We like them.
Oh, see what I was doing? Well done, that's a fine. I'm not 50 quid, Joe.
I woke up, balance turning. Now.
Yep, that's me repairing my favourite pair of shorts. Morgan picked the pink patches, not me, honest.
That's better. Ooh. That is solid. Wouldn't want that in your team. Oh! What did you get? 959?
That was a big swing! We're in a 9 1/4.
Oh, Wallet! Yeah.
920s!
Hitting it straight is the game, mate. That's 7, 8. On your marks! Get set! Go!
It's a good job Morgan was wearing Crocs, or that race could have been really embarrassing for you lot. Oh no, hang on. little bit of a walk round. It's been our side of the camping area. Vanlifers United. First one's been an absolutely awesome weekend. Some really nice buses here as well. There's Vario. So cool. Bit of all sorts here as well. I'll have a wander up and down. Still early. It's 9 o'clock Sunday morning. Most people are in bed. Orange. Sam's still closed up in bed. So we've had most of the talks on. So it was Friday and Saturday in and around kind of this area really. So we've Mooley, Nick and Jen, Jane Lindsay's down there, Volker, morning, as you can see the areas are a reasonable size. I'll wander right through. Morning, mate.
Morning.
The Sunday.
Yeah.
I'll wander amongst a few of them. Some of you might recognise this one. Our paint job. In case you want to try and find him, plenty on there. Plenty of tags around here for you to find. Okay, it's on tour there. Wandering Wheelie. Motorhome Discoveries, and then Hall's Adventures on my left. I'll whiz you around there before I turn. So, there you go. It's a new bus. I don't know if you've seen that one being converted from its original red to what it is now. I'll cut that through the middle of the rest of the field in a minute. That's where a lot of the show vehicles are. There's a really cool overlander there. Let me just want to go over here because there's a stack of vans over here as well. There's plenty here. And then the main stage has been over here. There was all manner of stupidity on there last night. There was drunk running Olympics and all sorts of stuff. But yeah, food vendors. So bamboo coffee hut, Mexican street food which you mix. Karen's Gorilla Grubs over there. Been a few bars. The Nomad Tattoo Shop. Let me take you back into Paul's vans there. Carl's hiding over in the corner. But yeah, let me wander you through this section of some of these show vehicles as well. So they're on for display. There's a lad up here with a bus called the Maligator bus. I'll show you. He was doing a bit of paint maintenance, shall we say. He was actually raptoring his bus while he was here. He was doing some a bit of touching up. I'll wander you through and let you have a look. No. Morning. I wander you around the back of this. There's a huge quad on the back of it, it's awesome. How cool's that? It'll take me a while to wander through the middle. But alligator bus here. This is the lad that was raptoring it. Jay and Crow are over there. There's quite a few packing Sunday morning. Dave and Beck's bus is over there. And back over to us lot. Thanks for watching the video. It was a truly awe-inspiring community event pulled together by Paul Jenkins, the incredible Vanlifers United team. We had a great time. It's definitely one to watch out for in the future. Thanks for watching again, and we'll see you soon.